Hi, Jonathan York from IRG BOP, looking at the investment week ahead. The Federal Reserve last week announced its latest round of quantitative easing, with a figure of around $600 billion being injected into the US economy over the next sort of 8 to 9 months. Certainly equities appear to like that initially, but the big question still appears to be how the currencies will play out, as the US dollar still remains relatively weak out there, and obviously some of the commodity currencies like the New Zealand dollar and especially the Australian dollar are trading very high on a relative basis. So it'll be interesting to see how that pans out, but initially equities like it, and that should try and drive down interest rates at the longer end. In the domestic market here, we've still got the last week or so of the Goodman-Fielder issue. And it's interesting to note now that the minimum rate on that is 7.25, but if it was set today, it's set at a spread over the 5.5-year swap rate. It will be set at around sort of 7.47 to 7.50. So it could be as high as that. The minimum rate will be 7.25, but the way things are heading at the moment in interest rates, it will be closer to 7.5 than 7.25, which may look quite a reasonable rate for the next sort of 5.5 years. There is still a little bit of stock left. Remember, there's no public pool, so if you are interested, call us on 0800 867 323 to reserve your allocation. Now it's over to Phil Sedcole for the mortgage commentary.
Hi, Phil Sedcole for the IRG mortgage side of things. A few weeks ago I mentioned about the reverse equity mortgages, or equity release, where you don't have to repay them once you're over 65. They just sit compounding interest. Just wanted to just open the door slightly. If you're looking to retire and move into a, say, a retirement home or a village or something like that, or move into a retirement flat, you can borrow on the higher equity, so you can move up quite a bit. So if you're interested in this or want to discuss it any further, please give us a ring on our 0800 number.
Thanks, Phil. So I say it's crucial for this week is just that Goodman-Fielder, and that closes on the 17th, and the rate will be set on the 18th. I'd say at present it's looking like it could be set a little bit higher than people initially first thought, probably closer to 7.5. So call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Lots of interesting articles, the application, and our risk disclosure statement. Thank you.